Hello. Today a short video on how to unlock key and child lock on the Blomberg schott ceran built-in induction cooktop. Grandma regularly activated Childlock and calls me, so I will make this video for her. Let's see how many grandmothers come to this video. Activating the Keylock is very easy. Touch power key to turn on the hob. Touch the clock and the cooling zone keys simultaneously to activate the Keylock. Keylock will be activated, and the dot on the lock symbol will light up. If you turn the hob off when the keys are locked, the key lock will be activated next time you turn the hob on again. Keylock must be deactivated in order to be able to operate the hob. Keylock can be deactivated in the same way as activated. Press both keys and the buttons will unlock. Now I will show you how to unlock Childlock. When the Childlock is active, touch minus and plus keys simultaneously. After beep signal, keep holding minus key to deactivate the Childlock, and the letter L symbol will disappear on all cooking zone displays. Activating the Childlock is also quite easy. Touch the power key to turn on the hob. Touch minus and plus keys simultaneously. After beep signal, keep holding plus key to activate the Childlock. Childlock will be activated, and the letter L symbol appears on all cooking zone displays. There will also be pictures how to turn on and off key and Childlock for Blomberg schott ceran cooktops. If this video was useful and saved your dinner, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons, so I can meet you in other useful home tech videos. Thank you, and have a delicious meal.